Hello everyone. Today we are going to talking about the third part of the executive branch of government, which is the financial and performance accounting. First of all is still the general explanation of what is executive branch is. And now we move to the financial and performance accounting. Financial accounting, as the business dictionary suggests us, this is a field of accounting that treats money as a meaning of a measuring economic performance instead of a fact of the production, and it encompasses its entire system of monitoring and control of money as it flows in and out of an organization as assets and liabilities and revenue and expenses. And performance accounting is normally used as output and outcomes to measure the performance. It is clearly measurable and have a broader and longer terms perspectives. However, performance accounting could be biased on Fox measurement, and outcome statement can become window dressing. So performance accounting is gathering and summarizing the outcome data to prepare the performance report, such as a balance sheet and annual report, for an organization's managers, investors, leaders, suppliers, as well as the whole stakeholders. Now, let's focus on the first part, the financial accounting. Financial accounting, the goal of the government around the world are to perform more efficiently and efficiency, which followed by these steps. First of all, they're going to adopt an accrual basis of budgeting, appropriation, and accounting. And then they require to generate a high quality of financial report. Based on this report, they can create a good quality of financial management system. Then, all in all, they can perform. They can generate a performance report for adaptive management. Now, the second part of financial accounting measurement. This, as an owner, the government would want to ensure the value of an organization's assets as a maintained, whereas as a purchaser, government would want efficient, effective service to be delivered as cheap as possible. So in this case, the concept of outcomes would be developed as essential devices for implementing this model of government, with appropriation based on outputs rather than organization's input. And there are some strengths and weaknesses on the performance accounting based on their outputs and outcomes. And about the performance accounting, it's about how to achieve a good performance. And understanding of a resource ability can be useful in deciding what is a desirable and how different service can be arranged. This is mentioned by Norman in his research in 2007. And the SOI is a public document tabled with the budget and provides the descriptions of the department's goals over 3 to 4 years period. And it is expected to support appropriation requests in the estimated and provided a base for reporting against the annual report. And the outcome goals are expected to be matched with the information for auditing, evaluation, research, or the reviews to support of the claim. Thank you for your time. This is the third part of the executive branch.